Hello my dear children, welcome to our Hindi class. My name is Fasila, I am your Hindi teacher. Dear children, Hindi is a new subject for you. Hindi is our official language. Hindi is the one of the official language of India. So be ready to learn Hindi. Dear children, in first standard, this is our textbook. Madhuban Saral Hindi. Madhuban Saral Hindi. This is our textbook. We need a 2-line notebook for writing. 2-line notebook. Dear children, you have to cover these books and paste the name slip. Okay dears, let's start our class. Dear children, all of you take your rough book. That means a single line notebook. Okay dears, then take your rough book. Dear children, first we learn some lines. I know you are already know the lines. Okay, we will revise the lines because we need the lines for writing. Then take a fresh page. First one, straight line. Dear children, you have to write straight line. Write the heading straight, STRAIGHT, straight line. First one, first page, have to write the heading straight line. First one, straight line. Dear children, how to write straight line? Straight line. This is straight line. Straight line. Straight line or standing line. Lines are standing mode. Standing line. Dear children, you have to draw straight line. Okay. You have to write the full page. Straight line. Straight line. First one, straight line. After the class, you have to complete the straight line in full page. Okay, dears? Then second one, sleeping line. Second one, sleeping line. Sleeping. Sleeping line. How to write sleeping line? The lines are sleeping. Sleeping line. Sleeping, sleeping line, sleeping line. Okay, just revise once more the line, straight line, sleeping line. You have to complete the first page with straight line, then second page, sleeping line. Okay, write in your rough book only, okay, not in notebook, rough book only, sleeping line. First straight line, then sleeping line. Have to complete the sleeping line. Is it clear? Sleeping line. Then third one is straight line, sleeping line. Next one, slanting line. Next one, slanting. Next one, slanting line. Then write the heading slanting line. Slanting line. How to draw slanting line? Then draw slanting, slanting, slanting line, slanting line. Okay, you have to write and study these 3 lines in 3 pages. Okay, write and study in your rough book. First one straight line, second one sleeping line, third one slanting line. These lines for you helping on our writing. Straight line, sleeping line and slanting line. Okay dears, you have to complete the pages with straight line, sleeping line and slanting line. Dear children, hope you all are finished your writing. Dear children, let's start our Hindi alphabet. Hindi alphabet. हिंदी में अल्फ़ाबेट को वर्णमाला. अल्फ़ाबेट मीन्स वर्णमाला. हिंदी वर्णमाला. दैट मीन्स हिंदी अल्फ़ाबेट. Hindi Varnamala. Okay, just like our Malayalam, Hindi, Malayalam alphabet. Then this is alphabet, Hindi alphabet. Hindi alphabet, Swar or Vyanjan. That means our vowels and consonants. Vowels and consonants. Just like our Malayalam, स्वराक्षरंगल व्यंजनाक्षरंगल हिंदी में स्वर और व्यंजन. स्वर व्यंजन, vowels and consonants. Okay dears, let's start our first letter. First vowel. What is first vowel? A. Letter A. Dear children, I am going to teach you how to write letter A. First our vowel, Hindi alphabet, vowels and consonants. Okay dears, vowels. Vowels means swar. Swar. Consonants, Vyanjan. Swar and Vyanjan. Vowels and consonants. Okay dears, then take your rough book. Dear children, take your rough book. I will teach you how to write first our vowel A. First our vowel is A. Dear children, first our vowel A. Okay, first step. Dear children, touching the top. Touching the top of the line, you have to write a reverse C. This is our C, alphabet C, English C. Then write a reverse C. Touching the top. Touching the top of the line, you have to write a reverse C. Touching the top, you have to write a reverse C. Touching the top, you have to write a reverse C. This is our first step. Touching the top, you have to write a reverse C. Is it clear? Then the second step is touching the top. First one, touching the top, write a reverse C. Next one is join with another reverse C with a small tail. Okay, first one, touching the top, write a reverse C. Join with another reverse C with tail. This is just like our number 3. Number 3 with a tail. Touching the top. Once more, touching the top, write a reverse C and write a reverse C. Join with another reverse C with the tail. Okay, touching the top, write a reverse C. Join with another reverse C with the tail. Okay dears, then first step, only write reverse C, then join with another reverse C. Then our third step, dear children, write in third line, touching the top, you have to write a reverse C and join with another reverse C with the tail. Then draw a sleeping line like this, a small sleeping line like this. Touching the top, reverse C and another reverse C with the tail. Small sleeping line like this, not the center, just write like this. Touching the top, write a reverse C and join with another reverse C with the tail. A small sleeping line like this. Once more, a small sleeping line like this. Okay. Okay dears, then our fourth step. First reverse C, another reverse C with the tail, a small sleeping line and join with a straight line. Join with a straight line. First one, reverse C, another reverse C, and sleeping line and join with a straight line. First reverse C, another reverse C, sleeping line and a straight line. Okay, last one, reverse C, another reverse C with the tail, sleeping line and a join with a straight line. Okay dears, then our last step, our letter A. First right reverse C, then another reverse C with the tail, sleeping line and a straight line. Last one, a sleeping line on top. A sleeping line on top. This line हिंदी में इस लाइन को शिरोरेगा. This is शिरोरेगा. This sleeping line is called शिरोरेगा. शिरोरेगा. Okay dears, then once more, straight line and sleeping line on top. This is our letter A. This is our letter A. Okay. Sleeping line, straight line with a sleeping line on top. Is the sleeping line is called Shirorega. This line is called Shirorega. Okay dear, this is our letter A. This is our letter A, dear children. You have to write and study in your rough book this letter A. You have to write and study step by step. First line, write a reverse C, and join with another reverse C with tail. Add with a sleeping line, then join with a straight line. Last one, a sleeping line on top. That means this is our letter A. Hindi, our first vowel A. First vowel A. Letter A. This is our first vowel, letter A. Dear children, you have to write and study in full page. You have to write and study this letter A. Okay, like this you have to write. Our first letter, first vowel, letter A. This is A. Dear children, this is enough for today. Next class we will study the beginning words with A. Okay dears, see you soon. Bye.